Hello children, how are you? Hope all of you are healthy and stayed at home and also obeying the all the guidelines of lockdown. Today I am here to explain the most important topic of mathematics of class 10, that is how to find HCF of two numbers by using Euclid's division lemma. In your previous classes, you have already done how to find HCF, but by long division method. In class 10, we see how to find HCF of two numbers by using Euclid's division lemma. Okay, let's start. How can we find HCF of two numbers? So, suppose we have two numbers 225 and 135. Definitely 225 is greater than 135. So what you have done in your previous classes, just you divide the greater number by the smaller number. So repeat it. Suppose we have 225 and divide it by 135. So 135 ones are will be 135. When you subtract, then you got the remainder 90. In class 9 you have already learnt what is remainder theorem, and you know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So write it like that. Dividend 225 is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here the step 1 is completed. Now you can see that in this division 135 is the divisor, whereas 90 is the remainder. Now consider these two numbers again in step 2. So we have two numbers. First one is the divisor and second is remainder. So 135 and 90 is again we have two numbers. Definitely 135 is greater than 90. Now do the similar method. Divide the greater number by the smaller one. So divide 135 by 90. Again you can see 90 ones are 90. Now subtract this. 135 minus 90 will be 45. So in this division 90 is the divisor, whereas 45 is the remainder. And according to remainder theorem, you know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So write it. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So your second step is completed here. Now in this division you can see that 90 is the divisor and 45 is the remainder. Consider these two numbers 90 and 45. So take these two numbers for step 3, 90 and 45. Now you can see that 90 is the greater than 45. So we can divide 90 by 45. So 45 2s is equal to 90. Now when you subtract 90 from 90, the remainder is 0. Now you can see that in this step our remainder is 0. So the division is ended here. We cannot divide it further, because if I divide 45 by 0, then the quotient will be infinite. So we cannot get the exact value when we divide 45 by 0, Therefore, the division is ended here. So write this. You again know that the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So write it. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So when remainder comes 0, your divide is come to end, and in where the remainder is 0, then the divisor, that is 45, will be the HCF of the given number 225 and 135. So it is clear to you. In the last step where the remainder is 0, in that division the divisor will be the HCF of the given numbers. Now according to Euclid division lemma, all the 3 steps you should write togetherly. So write step 1, step 2 and step 3 togetherly. So how can we rewrite this? Look at. So the first step, we can see 225 is greater than 135. So we can say 225 is equal to 135 into 1 plus 90. This is step 1. Again, in second step, you can see that 135 is equal to 90 into 1 plus 45. This is the second step. And in third step, you can see that 90 is equal to 45 into 2 plus 0. This is the third step. So in third step, the remainder is 0. So the divisor 45 will be the HCF of the given number 225 and 135. Therefore, HCF of 225 and 135 is 45. Hope all of you have understand the method how can we find HCF of two numbers by using Euclid division lemma. Try some more examples from your book, and in my next video I will discuss some more important topic of maths. And stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.